guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'll be doing the long-awaited bedroom tour. So I did my living room a while back and everyone's been asking me about a bedroom tour. I'm not sure what my reasons were for not doing it, but I finally got around to filming it and now I'm excited to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys love it. I also want to say thank you to Bedscape for sending me the sheet set for my bedroom. For those of you who are not familiar with Bedscape, Bedscape is an American company that actually just launched. Their sheets are designed in New York and produced in one of the oldest Israel tactile factories. The collection available on their website is classic and timeless, both the colors and the sheets. So the sheets are made of 100% long stable cotton and are available in 2 different fabrics. It says that they are OKTex standards, 100% certified. The sheets are 100% safe. They're super soft and no animals or GMO are used in the making of these sheets. And one of the best part is that they offer 100% free shipping here in the US. I would say that it is pretty affordable, especially for the quality of the sheets and the feel of it. So they have a lot of options and different colors to choose from. So I just wanted to put that out there in case you guys are looking to spruce up your bedroom and to use some luxury fabrics without breaking the bank. So with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so to begin this tour, we're gonna start from the very foot of the bed here. I just wanted to show you guys this carpet. This carpet is not super huge, but it fits the space. So I got this carpet from at home. It's the same carpet I have in my living room. This is just a smaller size that I chose to put to the foot of the bed. I don't know what these are called actually, but you guys can help me out. It's like a seating area. This is where I sit to shoot some of my videos, and that's also where I sit to put my shoes on because I do a lot of sitting lately since I'm pregnant. And also it's storage, so if you open it up it kind of turns into a tray, and sometimes we use it if we're like having dinner in bed and watching TV. And if you're wondering what those 2 boxes are, those are from Victoria's Secret. It's around Christmas time, so I was getting some presents ready, so that's what that is. So we're gonna move on to the window. As I said before, it is Christmas time, so I just wanted to bring some holiday lights in here just to make it a little Christmassy in here. So this curtain is really pretty. It has some beautiful details on it. I got the curtain from Marshall. As for the curtain rod, I think I got the curtain rod from a local furniture store here in Ohio called At Home. Moving on to his side of the bed here, there is a simple little flower. He didn't really want that flower there, but I wanted it there, so we have a lamp. We have that mirror on top, and also this bedside table. If you feel like you've seen it before, that's because you have. I have 2 of these in the living room as well. The front is all mirror, and then it has that pretty design, kind of like with the curtain. So this is also where he keeps his perfume, his watch, and his phone at night as well. So moving on to my side of the bed, this is my nightstand. I have the same matching lamp from the other side. I have some flowers, and also I have a framed ultrasound picture of our baby girl. So I got the flower from Marshall's, the vase I got from Dollar Tree, and also the crystals I got from the Dollar Tree as well. Doesn't it look real? It actually looks like real flowers, but it's not. This bowl I got from the Dollar Tree. I filled it up with some crystals as well. And sometimes when I go to bed at night and forget and wear some of my fancy earrings, I take them off and store them in there. For the nightstand, it's the same as the other one on the other side. The 2 lamps we got from Burlington. The beautiful set of mirrors, we also got those from At Home. They were, I think, $70 a piece, but they're really, really pretty. And they're lightweight, so it's not going to mess up the wall. The piece in the middle there, it says follow your heart. I thought I should put that right here because it is a good reminder of you following your dreams. On the other side of the closet here, I have this big full-length mirror. It overlooks the entire room, including the bed, and it's also a great angle because I can stand there, look at myself in the mirror after I get dressed, and it gives me a perfect view of what I'm wearing. Do you guys like my dress, by the way? It's a 2-piece set. It has the tighter dress underneath, and then it has this flowy little thing on top, and it dresses the bump really well. That is the door to the bedroom, and I'm going to show you that entire side of the bedroom. So this is from an angle as if you were sitting in the bed and looking at the walls. So I have some pictures on the wall there, as you can see. I don't like too many pictures on the wall, as I've mentioned several times, but I do like a few pictures in my bedroom. This is the fiance and I. This picture was taken on my birthday. I don't remember which birthday it was, but I have a mirror there. I have a picture of me and my little sister there. On this side, a picture of us. We went to a traditional party, and there's another mirror there. So over here is another little DIY project. This is a box for my makeup and stuff, but I currently don't have my makeup in it because I have it in my bathroom. This is a mirrored jewelry holder. It opens up, and then next to that I have a flower as well. So the tray is actually not a tray, it is a picture frame. I got the tray from a thrift store. I thought it was really pretty. The picture inside doesn't really match my color scheme, so I decided to turn it into a tray. It has this pretty mirror on the side of it. I love mirrors, if I haven't said that before. It also has that white trim on it. It is super heavy, so I just decided to set it there and make it a tray. On this side of the dresser, the jewelry box was a gift, so I just put all my hoop earrings and all my other little jewelry. It's a great little storage that I can just get to at any time. This vase here was another DIY. The vase I got from a thrift store, and I just decided to bunch up these flowers and set it in there, and it makes it look so pretty. This other vase was actually a Burlington find. I think I got it for about $5.99 or so. It ties into everything else in my bedroom. The dresser is a set that came with the bed, and it has two other nightstands, and that is our TV. There's something on TV right now. I'm not really paying attention to it, but that is that. Moving on to the masterpiece of the room, the bed. So the bed is actually a set. It came with two nightstands, but I switched it up for this shiny one. Because our room is not super huge, we went for a queen size bed instead of a king. I'm going to start with the many layers of sheets on my bed. As I told you at the beginning of the video, my sheet set was sent from a company called Bedscape. Their sheets are very soft and very comfortable. So I have the fitted sheet, I have the bed sheet, and then I have the duvet, which I put my comforter in, and it also has two pillowcases. So next I'm going to show you my cover set. This is a 3-piece set. It has like an off-white color, and it has this design on it. It has the cover and two pillow shames, which I'll get to that later. So this set was very affordable. I only use this when I make my bed, but I take it off at night. Over top of that, I have this really soft, really pretty, what are these called? Shaggy or like fluffy cover. This one is also just for decor. I tend to take it off at night, but it's really pretty, it's really soft, and it's also off-white. Speaking of my many layers of sheets and blankets, the best way to make your bed look luxurious is to layer up. So you can have many different layers. It can be the same color, or you can have some pop of color, whatever your preference is. I personally like the off-white, white, and neutral colors, so that's what I was going for in here. And if you've seen my other videos before, you will see that I have this theme throughout my house. So moving on to the mini pillows. I have a lot of pillows on here, and I tend to change them up. You can never ever have too many pillows. We take them off at night and we put them away. As I was telling you about the sheet set, it came with two pillowcases, and these are the two pillowcases right there. Then for my Bedscape pillowcases, it comes with two pillowcases as well, and those are the ones we use to sleep at night. As for my mini fluffy pillows, I got these from Burlington. They were, I think, only $12.99 each. They're super soft and pretty to look at. The one in the middle I got from at home. It was about $25. I have two of these actually. I have one in my living room. This one and that one are the same, and I got them for about the same price. This pillow here I actually got from TJ Maxx. It's really pretty and it's really feminine, so it's one of my favorite ones. This pillow has black, white, and silver. It actually came with an old comforter set that I have from way back, so I just decided to use it because it goes with everything else in the room. This pretty little pillow here I got from TJ Maxx. It is super pretty. So moving on to my tray. This tray is super heavy. I have 2 of those as well. If I like something, I usually get it in 2, 3, or 4 if I can. I have another one in my living room. The tray is marble in the middle. That's what makes it super heavy, and the side of it is gold. So this glass cup was actually a DIY project that I did. I just took a regular glass cup and took fingernail polish and drew that black thing on it to match my room. Super easy. If you guys want me to start doing some DIY projects, please let me know so I can show you guys all my tips and tricks on how I custom make things for myself. No, I'm not drinking wine at the moment. I'm super pregnant, but it just looks pretty. This flower right here is super pretty. It actually lights up. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a button at the bottom and you just press it and it lights up. I got the jar from the Dollar Tree. I put the flower in it, but that is that. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I also plan on doing a nursery tour, so I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. And as I said before, if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, give me a like, share the video, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. See you guys in my next one. Bye.